Why dropshipping doesn't work. Here I am. My name's Graeme, and I've been dropshipping on eBay and Amazon in Australia, and I've been smashed of recent with the coronavirus. And here's why: I'm just logged into one website of an Australian supplier, and I just went to one category. I didn't even search, and just have a look why I hate dropshipping at the moment. This is one category. Just happens to be gym equipment. Have a look at all this. Out of stock, out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. And as we scroll down the page, out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. And these are Chinese suppliers. The warehouses in Australia, but they rely on a lot of it as Chinese suppliers, not all of it. But have a look. Still as far as you can go. Out of stock, out of stock. And I got an email from them today saying stock levels and prices are expected to fluctuate over the course of the next few months. Please don't assume that previous price or stock availability will apply. We urge you to actively monitor our website, product feeds and email. Due to unprecedented demand, a large number of our products have been depleted and or deactivated from our platform. So if you're a drop shipper, it's bad news. So I've actually just deleted my account. What's the point? How can you make money as a drop shipper when your major suppliers' pages are showing this? Who knows when they will get replenish their stocks from their suppliers, which most of them are in the States. And that's just one category. Look, I've gone through others and it's just exactly the same. Pages and pages of out of stock. Okay, that's why I hate dropshipping and why dropshipping doesn't work.